The next aspect of differential calculus now is what? Quotient what? Rule. So the quotient rule is deal with what? Division of two words. Function. As in, if we have what? If y is equal to the what? U over what? V. The y what? The s, it should be equal to what? V du dx minus u the v the what? The x, everything over what? V square. So this is the formula for what? For product what? For the quotient rule. So the quotient rule, I said, is a kind of differentiation that deals with what we call what? Division of two functions. So for example, we have if y is equal to s squared plus 2 over what? S p plus 1. You are now asked to what? Find dy the what? The x. And see, this time around, you deal with what? Product again. We are dealing with what? Division of two words. Function. So solution. Y is what? Sp square plus 2 over what? Sp plus 1. That said what? Let u equal to this, v equal to this. So that becomes, what is my what? U. U is what? S squared plus 2. And what is what? V. V will be what? S cube plus 1. So the next thing you do now is what? Differentiate u and differentiate v. Differentiate u, we have u, the u dx should be equal to the what? 2x. And what will be the what? The v dx. The v dx will be what? 3x squared. That's the v what? The x. The next thing now is what? Use the what? The quotient formula. We say that what dy dx for quotient will be v du dx minus u the what? The v dx everything over what? V square. So from the expression, what is my v? So you can say what? The what? The y, the x is equal. What is my v? My v is what? S cube plus 1. That is the v. What is what? U. The UDS. The UDS is 2 what? 2x. You can have 2 what? 2x here for the U what? The UDX. And we have what? Plus. This is plus. You have minus. Sorry. We have minus sign at the middle. And the next thing is what? We have U. What does U stand for? The U is what? Is this. And the U is x what? S squared plus 2. That's the value for U. What is what? The v dx. The v dx here is what? 3 s squared. So everything over what? V squared. Everything over what? V squared. What is my v squared here? V squared will be what? S cube plus 1 squared. So the next thing now is what? We can now expand to have the y dx to be what? 2 times this 2x raised to the power 4 plus 2x. Here we have minus, no, 3 times this equals 3x raised to the power what? 4 minus 6 x square. Everything over what? X cube plus 1 square. There's no for you to what to expand this. You now have dy dx should be what? Yes, this. We have what? Minus s raised to power 4. Then we have minus 6x squared plus 2x. Everything over what? X cube plus 1 square this. This will be the final answer. So, to solve this, we are given y to be 3, 1 plus 3x squared all square over what? X. Don't forget, this is the quotient. This one will be what? U. Let this will be what? V. So by doing that, my U will be what? 3 into 1 plus what? 3x squared, everything square. See, for this alone, we can also change it to be what? 1 plus 3x squared to become what? 3 to become 2 over what? Over 3. That's U. And V is what? X. Let us find the what? The derivative for what? For U. Du dx. Let us apply the one we called what? The shortcut for chain rule. Write down the what? The power. For this, write down the power. Differentiate the bracket. The bracket will give us was 6x. Write down the what? The term you have in bracket. 1 plus what? 3x squared. Then reduce the power by what? Minus 1. 2 over 3 minus 1. So this will later give us what? The U, the X will be 3 in 1 here. 3 in 1 what? 2. We have what? 4x into what? 1 plus 3x what? Square. By reduce the power here, we have 2 minus 1 over 3. Is the same thing as what? 1 over 3. Yes. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus what? 1 over what? Over 3. So that's what we get for what? For U. And don't forget that what? This is our V. So the V, the X, it will be what? 1. Oh, let us use our quotient formula here. It said that du, the y, the s equal to what? V du the s minus u the v the x over what? V square. The u the x. What is v stand for? Our v is what? Our v dy the x. V here is what? Is x. What is the u the x? This is the u the x. Into bracket what? 4x and we have x plus 3x squared into what? Minus 1 over what? Over 3. Minus, what is u? 1 plus 3x squared, 2 over what? Over 3. The v dx is what? 1. So don't forget everything over what? V square. What is the v? X. We have x what? X square. We can solve it further. We have dy dx. This times this. We have 4 what? X square. This minus, it will become what? 1 over, so this 4b multiplied by what? 1 over 1 plus 3 x square. Everything into what? 1 over 3 minus, what do we have here? One times this, we have what? 1 plus 3x square. Everything 2 over what? 2 over 3 x what? X square. The next thing now is what? We will find the LCM here. Dy dx will be what? 4x square minus 1 plus 3x square. Everything over x squared into bracket 1 plus 3x square. Everything is 1 over 3. So this will be the what? The final answer. Equal to what? 2x plus 1 over 2x minus 1. Yes, you are now asked to what? Find what? The y, the x. What? Solution. We have y should be what? 2x plus 1 over what? 2x minus what? Minus 1. This is u, this is what? V. So if you said u equal to the what? 2x plus 1, the u, the x will be what? 2. So, and let us say that what is our v? Let me say v equal to the what? 2x minus 1. The v, the x equal to the what? 2. Yeah, by using the formula, dy dx equal to the what? V du dx minus u dv ds, everything over what? V square. So what is the answer here? The y, the s, v is what? 2x minus 1. What is the u ds? The u ds is 2. What is v u? U is what? 2x plus 1. What is the v? The v du. The v du is what? Is 2. Everything over v square. What is v square? V we have is what? 2x minus 1. Everything square. So, the next thing that we do now is what? Expand this 2 times this 4x minus 2 minus 2 minus 4x minus 2. Yes, 2x minus 1, everything square. The y dx equal to the what? This cancel each other. We have minus 4 over what? 2x minus 1 over 2. So that is all about what? Differential equation by quotient rule.